Mathematics crossing your eyes? Maybe Pocket Ronnie can help you.
Okay, we're going to be doing squaring binomials. Remember, when you have two terms, this is called a binomial. So this is a binomial square. So in reality, when you square something, you just multiply it times itself. So you can go through the process of foiling this out if you want. X squared plus 8x plus 8x plus 64. Remember, it's 8 times 8. Add your middle terms. X squared plus 16x plus 64. Okay, that's taking a square. When you square a binomial and foiling it out. When you multiply a binomial times a binomial, you should get 3 terms. You will get one more than this. When you're squaring something, one more would be 3 terms. Okay, now I'm going to do that same problem, but I'm going to show you the shortcut way. There's a shortcut way of when you square. This only works for when you're squaring. Square your first term. Square your last term. 8 squared is 64. Right now I'm in a positive world, so everything is positive. I know I'm going to end up with 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. So square my last term. How you get your middle term? You multiply these two things together. Positive x times a positive 8 is an 8x, and then you double it. So you multiply these two things together and then double it. X times 8 is 8x, doubling that. 8x plus 8x is 16x. And that's the shortcut way. And I got the same answer. Okay, let's go to 9E2. Remember, if you feel more comfortable foiling this out to write 4x plus 1 times 4x plus 1, that is certainly okay. There is no harm in doing that if it makes you feel better. I'm going to do it the shortcut way. The shortcut, I should get 3 terms. Whenever I do a binomial times a binomial, I should get a trinomial, which is 3 terms. You square the first term, 4x, it's just not 4x squared. That would mean 4x parentheses squared, meaning 4x times 4x, which is 16x squared. And then I'm in a positive world, so everything is positive. Square the first term, 4x, square that whole thing, which would be 16x squared. Square your last term, 1 squared is just 1. Now you multiply these two things together and then double it. So 4x times 1 is 4x, doubling it, 8x. Okay, let's go down to 9D2 to where we have a negative. Shortcut way. So I'm not in a positive world anymore, so I can't just put all plus signs. Square the first term. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Square my last term. The sign in front of the number goes with the number. So that would be a negative 4. Negative 4 squared means negative 4 times negative 4, which is a positive 16. Now take the first term times the second term and take into account your sign. A positive 3x times a negative 4. So a 3x times a negative 4 is a negative 12x, and then double that. Negative 12x and a negative 12x, I'm in debt 12 and I'm in debt 12 more. That would be negative 24x. And that would be your answer. So the sign in front of the number goes with the number.